Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. I'm going to be making some crab legs with the sauce, restaurant style curry sauce, and it's very good. If you have ever eaten at Shell Shack, you probably will like this recipe. There's a Shell Shack restaurant in Dallas, and this is very similar to their recipe. So take notes. I bought a pound of crab legs, but I have eaten half of them, I know. So this is just for me. So let's get started. These are some of the ingredients that I'm going to use in the crab leg sauce. I have 3 stalks of green onions, and I have a 1/4 of a onion piece there, and I have 1 stalk of celery and 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and chop these up and get ready to make the sauce. I added 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Okay, so I'm gonna let this melt a little bit, and then I'm gonna start adding my seasoning. Now you can use this sauce on anything. I'm just making crab legs today, but you can use it on any kind of meat you want to. But if you want to have a dish very similar to Shell Shack restaurant in Dallas, you can use the crab legs, put sausages in there, and add other ingredients to it. Now, if you have more crab legs than I have, so you probably want to take the recipe times 4. Say, for instance, you have like 8 pounds of crab meat, or, whatever. You can double the recipe. It's a really good recipe. It's low carb recipe, and it's sugar free. So I'm gonna show you how to do that, okay? So, I'm adding the celery, garlic, and onion in the pan. You might hear my coffee making in the background. I'm making bills of coffee. Oh, it smells so good here. Ooh. Oh, wow. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So, all right, let's start up with the ingredients. Let the onions cook first, and then add some other ingredients to the pan. It does a little time to cook up before you add anything else. You just want to get all the flavors out of those onions and garlic and celery. Add a pinch of chili flakes in here. You know me, I like it kind of spicy, so if you don't like it spicy, don't add as much. I think I added 2 pinches of pepper flakes. Chili pepper flakes. turn the eye down on low. I'm not going to use the teaspoon, but I can figure out what is 1/4 of a teaspoon of flakes Dynasty fish sauce. Just 1/4. That's about 1/4. Add some curry powder, and that's 1/4 teaspoon. And I'm going to add some turmeric, and I'm going to add just 1/4 teaspoon. That's about 1/4 teaspoon there for the amount of crab legs I have. Just going to mix that up. A 4 cup of whipping cream. Heavy whipping cream. That's about a 1/4 cup right there. Now, I'm going to show you this product here that I'm adding to it. It's called Maggi Seasoning. Okay, can you see that? That's what it's called. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of that in the sauce here. That's about enough. Now I'm gonna open my coconut. And add that in there. I was just checking the coconut can just to find out whether or not it had sugar in it, because I'm trying to stay away from sugar in most of my recipes, except for the ones when I'm doing the party facilities. 1/4 cup of coconut milk out of can. So we don't need that much. Let that cook a little longer. This is like cooking a meal just for one person. I love it on crab legs, and that's what I'm having it mine with. I don't have any. Well, I do have some sausages I can add to it. Maybe I will do that. Maybe. Okay, adding the crab legs in there. Sauce. This one. Again, this is a curry sauce. That's a lot of people add to their crabs and sausages, whatever meat you want to add to. It's a really great recipe. So again, this is a great recipe. You will love this recipe. Sauce is excellent, and you're going to enjoy it. I'll turn the eye up a little bit so that the sauce can continue to cook. It's on medium right now. Last item I'm going to add to the sauce is 1 egg. And you want to make sure you mix that up. You don't want to scramble eggs. You can help it. But if you do, it's still a great sauce, even though you got scrambled eggs. But so now I'm going to turn the eye off. And I'm going to add some green onions to the sauce. By the way, these are from my organic garden outside. Now it's ready to eat. I'm going to go ahead and plate it on something else so I can take some pictures of it, because it's absolutely delicious. Now, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.